Hello everyone, I'm SRIRAM RENUKA. I'm currently pursuing BTech final year in the stream of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at SIDDHARTha Institute of Engineering and Technology. Recently, I am working as a main stack developer in intern at Webstack Academy. First of all, I would like to thank Webstack Academy for giving this wonderful internship opportunity for me, and I have a background in main stack development. Really, I am excited to be here today and to share my insights on the main stack development. I am looking forward to our conversation and the opportunity to learn from each other. Here I am going to explain about goals of the internship, overview of full stack web development in that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, project requirements, brief about the main stack in that MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, Node.js, then overview and objectives of the project design in that project implementation, then conclusion. Goals of internship. An internship focus on the main stack. Mern stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. Hands-on experience. Gain practical, real-world experience in main stack. Skill development. Enhance your skills and knowledge related to main stack. Networking, build professional relationships and expand your professional network. The primary goal for the intern is to gain practical experience and develop skills in the working with the main stack. This includes understanding the architecture and mastering programming languages like JavaScript and becoming proficient in using tools and libraries associated with the Mern stack. Problem solving skills involve troubleshooting issues in exciting code or designing and implementing new features. It is mainly useful in building a portfolio. A strong portfolio can valuable when seeking future job opportunities. Soft skills. In addition to technical skills, interns should also focus on developing soft skills such as communication, teamwork, time management, and adaptability. Ultimately, the specific goal of main stack internship may vary depending on the organization, the intern level of experience. Full stack web development. In full stack web development, I'm going to explain about review of full stack web development. A full stack developer is someone who is familiar with all layers of software development. These developers aren't expert in everything, but simply have the functional knowledge to finish and develop the entire product. Full stack web development encompasses the development of both the front end means client side, and back end means server side components of the web application. Full stack developers are skilled in building and maintaining every aspect of a web application from the user interface to the server and database. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language used to create and structure content on the World Wide Web. HTML provides a set of elements or tags that define the structure and presentation of web documents, including text or images, links, forms, and many more. Here's an overview on HTML and its key components. HTML is the foundation of the web development and is often used to conjunction with CSS and JavaScript to create interactive and visually appealing web applications. It provides the structure and semantics that can be web browsers use to render the web pages. HTML documents. HTML documents are plain text files with a .html extension that contains the code to structure. Coming to hyperlinks. HTML allows you to create hyperlinks to other web pages or resources. The A tag element is used for this purpose. You can specify the URL of the destination using the href attribute. Forms. HTML provides the elements like form, input, um, text area, and button tags to create interactive forms for user input. Forms are often used for user registration, login, search, and data submission. Coming to semantic HTML. HTML5 introduced semantic elements like header tag, nav tag, main tag, article tag, section tag, and footer tag. These elements help define the meaning and structure of web content, making it more accessible to both humans and search engines. Coming to HTML head elements, here tag and description. Coming to head tags define information about the document. Coming to title tag, it defines the title of the document. Page tag, it can define a default address or a default target for the links on the page. Link tag, it is defines the relationship between the document and an external resources. Meta tag, it defines the metadata about the HTML document. Script tag, it can define a client-side script. Style tag is used to define the style information of the document. Coming to HTML page structure. What is the structure of HTML actually? Here it is the basic structure of the HTML. First, doc type HTML. It tells about what is the version of HTML. Then HTML tag. This is HTML tag is a root element. Then head tag. It is used to content page HTML with the metadata. Here title tag, you need to give your title, page title, then header tag close. Then go to body. It holds the content of the HTML. Here you need to give your heading tag H2, H1 like that up to H6. Here p tag, it contains the HTML paragraph tag, then close the body tag. Then after that you need to close your root HTML root element. Coming to CSS, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to control the presentation and layout of the HTML elements, and CSS properties define the style attributes of the selected element, for example, color, font size, margin, padding, and background color. Then C stands for Cascading, which means styles can be inherited or overridden based on specificity and the order in which they are defined. Coming to external style sheets can be applied in inline within HTML, like style tags within the document. Uh, we need to give a separate file as a .css. JavaScript. Mm, means stack development. It is the combination of front-end development and back-end development with the database management. Coming to front-end, it provides the React. React is used to create the user interface components of the web application. These components are responsible for rendering the views, handling user interactions, and making requests to the backend. Uh, React.js consists of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap like languages. Coming to backend, it backend means Node.js with Express.js. Express is a web framework. It consists Node.js web server. It is used to create the backend server that handles incoming requests from the front end. It interacts with the MongoDB database to perform data operations such as reading and writing the data. Coming to MongoDB, it is a database management. It stores the application's data. It's a flexible NoSQL database that can handle a wide range of data types and structures. Coming to these communications, the front end communicates with the back end using HTTP requests, typically using RESTful APIs. APIs stands for Application Programming Interfaces. The backend process these requests. Backend means MongoDB process these requests and interact with the database as needed and send back the appropriate response to the front end. Coming to MongoDB. MongoDB is no SQL database that stores the data in a flexible uh, JSON-like format called BSR. B stands for binary JSON. It is a document-oriented database, making it suitable for handling unstructured or semi-structured data. MongoDB is often used for storing and managing the application data. It is known for its scalability, flexibility, and ease of development. Coming to Express.js, it is a web application framework for Node.js. It simplifies the process of building web applications and APIs by providing a set of robust features and tools for routing, middleware, and handling HTTP requests and its responses. It serves as the backend framework in the main stack. It handles the routing and HTTP requests, making it easier to create server-side logic. Coming to React, it is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces (UI) in a modular and component-based manner. It allows developers to create interactivity and dynamic UIs efficiently. React.js is known for its virtual DOM, which optimizes performance by reducing unnecessary UI updates. Um, it is typically used for building the front end of the web application, where it handles the user interfaces, views, and user interactions. Coming to Node.js, it is a runtime environment for runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code on the server side. It allows developers to run JavaScript on the server. It's built on the VI JavaScript engine and is highly efficient and scalable. It is suitable for creating server-side applications, APIs, and real-time applications. In the main stack, Node.js provides a non-blocking event-driven architecture, making it well suited for building scalable and high-performance web applications. The main stack is popular because it allows developers to use a single programming language like JavaScript for both front-end and back-end development. This simplifies the development process and promotes the code reusability. Um, it used multiple times. Additionally, it is applications are known for their responsiveness, scalability, and the ability to handle real-time data updates. Here, the incoming request to the event queue, then it will go to event loop, then workers thread pool. It is the Node.js architecture. Coming to project implementation using React and Redux, first of all, set up your development environment. before you begin, ensure you have a Node.js and npm in your install in your computer. Then create a new React project. To create a new React project, you can use the create React app tool, which sets up a basic React application structure for you. Open your terminal and run the following command like npx create-app my hyphen redux hyphen app. Then navigate your project directory. Then give a command as cd my hyphen redux hyphen app. Then install redux and react redux using command npm install redux react hyphen redux. Then give a file structure as a folder name as source file. Then give in that source file folder you need to give a folders like actions, reducer, stores and components. Yeah, I'm going to explain my front end and back end code in Visual Studio Code. Um, in front end code, front end is responsible for the user interface and user experience of a web application. Front end code is often written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Coming to HTML files, can define the structure and the content of the web pages. CSS files can control the layout and styling of elements on the web page. Coming to JavaScript files, for example, script.js, these can add interactivity and dynamic behavior to the front end. Then coming to backend code handles server-side logic and database interactions and other server-related tasks. Backend code is typically written in server-side programming languages like Node.js for JavaScript. It can include server setup files, for example, server.js for node.js, and routing files, database connection files, and business logic. It communicates with the front end through APIs. Here, APIs means application programming interface and serves data to the front end. First, you need to create the front end folder for all the front end related files. Then you can create a backend folder for the backend related files. Use file extensions like .html, .css and .js for front end. Then coming to backend files, you can use extensions like .js. Here you need to run your web application. You need to install some extensions like go live and preview. Go to your extensions and search for the go live. Go live is a feature which is provided by the extension like live server for the VS Code. Then it allows you to quickly spin up a local web browser directly from the VS Code. When you click go live or go server, it starts a web server on your local machine, serving the files in your project directory. This feature is particularly useful for front-end development because it lets you see your website or web application exactly as it would appear when hosted on the server. Then coming to preview. Preview is generally refers to the ability to see a live or real-time rendering of your code within VS Code itself. It commonly useful for viewing HTML or other text-based files. When you open a HTML file or similar documents, then click on preview in your VS Code. Then it will display the rendered version of the file in a separate tab. If you want to run your coming to front end code, we have a source folder. In source folder, we have folders like actions, components, constants, and reducers. In actions, we have files cart action, menu action, order actions, restaurant actions, and user actions. Coming to components, we have folders like cart, CSS, layout, order, user. Then we have files also, count, restaurant, food item, home, menu, message, restaurant, and so on. Coming to constants, we have files, cart constant, menu constants, order constant, restaurant constant, constants, and user constants. Then reducers, we have cart reducer, menu reducer, order reducer, restaurant reducer, and user reducer. Coming to backend, uh, we have in backend we have the folders, config folder. In config folder we have config env. In the database.js file like database.js and controllers, middlewares, and models. On to front end and back end code. Then go to terminal, select new terminal. Here one is for back end, one is front end. In back end you need to give cd command as cd new backend, then click enter. Then after give this your server, nodman run server. This server started with port number as 4000. Then data MongoDB database connected with the host number as 127.0.01. Then go to your front end. You need to run your front end code. You need to give command as cd front end. Then click enter. Then start your application. Here give a command as npm start. Here npm stands for node package and package manager. npm is a library for JavaScript software packages. npm also has command line tools to help you install the different packages and manage their dependencies. Here npm is free. Then it automatically browse your web application. Here our logo is order it. Here search bar is there. Here we are providing the 8 restaurants. Pure veg, sort by reviews, sort by rating. Then go to login. It will ask ask your email and password. Enter your email and password. Then click on login. If you forget your password, then go to forget password. Here new user also there. Here it will ask register. Then give your name, email, password, confirm password, phone number, and avatar. Then register. Click on login. It will successfully log in. Then go to cart. Here it will show like your cart is empty. Then go to add. Then go to particular restaurant. Add whatever you want to order. Then click on add to cart. It will add item to your cart. Click on add to cart. Here it will show red button and blue button. Means minus and plus button is used to add item to your cart. Minus is used to remove item from your cart. Then go to cart. It will show like your cart having 2 items. Here order summary, subtotal, total. Then checkout. It will ask your delivery address. Give your address. Then city. Then phone number. Postal code. Then click on continue. It will show like confirm order. Here it will show delivery information like name, phone number, address, your cart items which is having 2 items, order summary, subtotal, what is the amount of your order items, delivery charges 0, tax 18.9 rupees, total amount. If you want to pay that total amount, you need to click on payment, press to payment. Here it will ask your card information, card number, card expiry, card CVC. Default card number is 4242424242. The expiry date you need to give future year. Then card CVC. Then click on pay. It shows like a pop-up message like your order has been placed successfully. Then go to orders. It will show your ordered items. Here it will show my orders, whatever the items you are ordered in your restaurants. Here restaurant name, order items, number of items you are order, what is the amount, status, and order date, actions. If you want to change your status of your order, you need to go your MongoDB. Then connect. Go to internship. Click on orders. Here you can change processing to deliver. Then click on update. Then go to and refresh it. It will show like delivered. Go to your profile. Then here edit profile is option is there. Click on edit our profile. It will ask your name and email. Here I am removing my name, then giving new name. I am updating. Click on update. It is gives message like user update successfully. Your login name is changed successfully. This, if you want to log out, you can log out. It is successfully log out. Here search bar is there. Click on search. Whatever item you want or whatever the restaurant you want to search, you need to give a restaurant name and click enter. It will show the restaurant names. That's it. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to my mentors and internship members who made my internship experience truly exceptional. Your guidance, your support, and your expertise were invaluable throughout the journey. Your willingness to share knowledge, answer my questions, and provide constructive feedback greatly contributed to my learning and growth. I am deeply appreciative of the patience and encouragement you offered for me make me feel a value part of the team. A Mingstack internship is a valuable stepping stone for individuals pursuing careers in web development. It is a open doors to future career opportunities in ever evolving world of web development. In Menstack development has been a transformative experience. I have honored my technical skills in MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js while actively contributing to meaningful projects. I have learned the value of effective team collaboration, improved my problem solving abilities, and developed a growth mindset. I'm sincerely grateful to my mentors and colleagues for their guidance and support throughout this journey. As I move forward, I am excited to apply my knowledge and experience gained here to further in my career in web development and continue my journey for continuous learning and improvement. Uh, I would like to express my sincere thanks to everyone at Webstack Academy for this incredible opportunity. It has been an enriching and valuable experience, and I am excited to carry the knowledge and my skills, which whatever I gained into my future endeavors.